All right, guys. I'm gonna do a quick recap. We had a killer day with MRIN. So I'm still long a little bit on it, but at 1680, I added a little bit on this pullback. I think it is a good chance it goes up back to 20. I'll see if it's struggling a little bit. So there's a potential to go up to 20. So that was a really solid day we had. I had two trades and meds. Eventually lost money on that, and I had a loss on BLIN too. But MRIN was on our watch list. The stock was really in play in the last couple of days. As you see, in the last couple of days, really had a really solid trading day. But what I noticed that was trading just below the VWAP on a 1 minute chart, and then it popped up, and then the volume really picked up on that. And I really thought, I mentioned that to Carlos as well, that could be a really nice 5 minute open range breakup. Popped up, volume came in, it got halted first. After the halts, both Brian and I jumped in there from 14 all the way up to 1920. It's going to go to 20. 1995 20 is the all-time high on it, and dropped. It didn't get halted on the way down. I added more on this moving average at 17, popped up there, and I'm still holding it and see if we can get to 20. Above 19 might be potential to add even bigger. So meds was a little bit jerky trade that we did. I did at the open. It was a really nice 1 minute open range breakup. Really struggled here, popped up, sold toward 950. I added more and I got a stop out. It came back up. I went long for the break of 950 and I got stopped out and actually gave all the profit back. So I'm red on mid. And then I tried to catch a double bottom reversal on it. So I saw that it's holding this 825. I went long, popped up a little bit, and I got stopped out of the break even. And after that, it just collapsed. And that's the thing that you gotta be really, really careful on that. Brian, what did you do? You did a really nice short on MU and then a reversal on it. Yes.
Yeah. So I got MU both ways. Yeah. So nice Brian short. I had to take it right at the open.
Right at the open, shorted the MU, sold off, and then you covered, and then you eventually saw double bottom. You took a long here at 825. It's actually on YouTube, so you can just pop it up really nicely. So that's very, very nice. So that was pretty much our day. So New York City, guys, New York City meetup is there. By the way, this is our book, How to Day Trade for a Living. Guys, I personally need only 3 reviews to get to 10,000. So I really appreciate if you guys can call support and just write your honest review about the book. Really, really appreciate that. If you can like the video and subscribe to our channel, that would be also really, really important for us because it helps the channel to grow. I think we deserve to have a little bit more subscriber, compared to all the contents that we are really producing, but we need the support. We just have to ask for a little bit more support from the community. And if any one of you want to go and write an honest review for our books, both Brian and I, we really appreciate that. We're gonna get to 3 more likes. That would be really nice. 3 more review, that would be 10,000 review, which is a big milestone for at least Brian and I. That would be this. MU is bouncing back. MRIN is still is bouncing around here, so I'm gonna hold this. I might add a couple of thousand shares if you get above 19 for the break of 20. And 20 is definitely a very important level because I think it's an all-time high for that. No, it's actually not. Yeah, back in August 2014, we definitely have some areas of that we can play around. So. Yeah, I don't know what it is. What's the news on MRIN? Did they have software for cancer or something?
There was it was in play yesterday. Must be like a Wall Street bets thing. I think MRIN, then maybe.
Is it a Wall Street play? Oh, okay. If it's a Wall Street play, then it can stay forever in play. Well, we thank to all of the Wall Street people, the Wall Street bet people. You guys are amazing, and just keep activating everything.
Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work, bringing this volatility. Integration with Instacart. Oh, okay. Yeah. Anyways, well, thank you so much, guys. Like, subscribe channel. Again, that's really appreciate that. I mean, we have 557 likes in YouTube. If any one of you who are, really appreciating us, if you can like us to 600, that would be really nice. I think 600 has been the maximum like that we're getting in our channel. I know some of you are changing your likes to dislikes. Not cool, but that would be really nice. Yeah, we had a really good day. Meds was jerky. I mean, when you're trading these low float stocks, you got to be really careful on risk management. Don't get stuck in them because they can easily wash down. And like what did Meds is just washing down, and they might not really ever recover. So that's something that I just wanted to mention. And yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, so I'm gonna cut off early today, and both Thor and I canceled our mentorship sessions today because we're just traveling. So we're really sorry about that. We'll make it up to you later. Let's see what the MRIN is doing. Yeah, it's holding that. All right, guys, ciao.
Well,